Welcome to the second half of the video. Yeah, not even on the second round yet. Still have a minute and 30 seconds to go. Ah, how is that possible? Okay. Yeah. I don't know if I want. Probably do want go arcane instead of. Spell steal that? Yes. Okay. Like, probably like one decent fight. The whole game. So many horde here. Oh, look. Rain though. Rain. Rain. I am out of here before rain attacks me. Go. I'm slow as hell. Do not have a goblin guider. Eat some food. Wait till the dot goes off. Finally, round one's finally finished. Jesus, I need to drink a bear. Okay, okay, slightly refreshened up. Okay, okay, we're on button. I feel like there will be a third part of this video. Horde, please be good and win. Normally, I would keep it up, but if we didn't like lose till the end of the round, then okay, missed that again. Jesus, I keep. Oh, fuck. Okay, he's going for me. Jeez. Okay, yeah, he's going for me. Person, don't. You think he crazy or some? Jesus, I hate that person. He's like the only priest that can kill me. Seriously. Only priest that can kill me even when I'm not geared. Okay, missed two abilities. Sorry, I'm gonna put my headset down for a second. Just need to crack my neck. Oh yeah, it feels good. Okay, well, screw that, BG. It was the worst one ever been in. Seriously. Yep. I hate rain. I can't remember their names. No, I can't because they didn't kill me enough. Okay. That rogue. Wait, I didn't get killed by a rogue. Okay. Okay, well. Yep, here's the box. 15 gold. Q again. That much points. Awesome. And then I'll see you all in the next video. Okay, see ya.